What does the training option in the help menu do? The training option connects you to Google's official learning resources, including step-by-step guides, videos, and example-based tutorials. Training is one productivity resource to use when everything else might be failing you. These are tailored to different skill levels, so whether you're just starting with Google Sheets or diving into advanced topics like macros, there's something for everyone. Think of it as a mini course library designed to help you master Sheets at your own pace. Let's take a quick look and see what we can discover. Here, I am going to click Help, Training, which will take us to support.google.com, and you can see a page dedicated to Google Sheets. At the top of the page, you will see basic learning to jumpstart your education. But down below, you will see more intermediate and advanced resources to extend your skills. Let's click on Sheets, Quick Start Guides, then get started with Google Sheets, and see what there is to offer. Here, you will see Google quickly tries to sell you on Google Workspace. Check out our video description to find out why this may be right for you. But right now, click Next, create your first spreadsheet. Here, you will find some basic education to help get you started, but it's very generic. I don't see this as very helpful, and again, not the first tool I would start with. But stick around because the final two help menu options will save you days of time as you integrate their features. To continue learning Google Sheets, dive into general navigation tips or dig into functions with one of these two videos next.